Let's learn ABC. A A A for ant. A for alligator. B B B for bird. B for bunny. C C C for cat. C for cake. D D D for dog. D for drum. E E E for egg. E for elephant. F F F for frog. F for fish. G G G for goose. G for goat. H H and who is along with the H? Yes, it's a horse. H for horse. H for hut. I yes, you know it already. I for igloo. J J J for jet. J for jellyfish. K K K for king. K for kangaroo. L L L for lion. L for ladybug. M M M for moon. M for mouse. N N N for nest. O O O for owl. O for octopus. P P P for parrot. P for potato. Q Q Q for queen. R R R for rainbow. R for robot. S S S for spider. S for snake. T T T for table. T for tiger. U U U for umbrella. V V V for van. V for village. W W W for whale. X X X for X-ray fish. Y Y Y for yarn. Y for yogurt. Z Z Z Z for zebra.